Hello guys, welcome back. In this lecture, you'll learn how to accept input from the user. So let me use input function. So input, let me ask a question. So this is an input function. So let me pass a question to it. Are you an alien? So this question is for the users so that they answer it. So what will be the answer? Obviously no. So let me type yes for a change. Here we have, this is the output, this is the input, and the yes is the output from the user. So why do we use input? I mean the input function. So this input is used to take the input from the user. That is, the user enters the value in the console and that value is taken into account. Like, for example, if you take a feedback form, why do you want a feedback form for? That helps to get the answers from the user, like how their experience was, let it be regarding a program, workshop, or something else. So that's how this input function works. Like, let me take another one, input which is your favorite team. It's asking for an answer from the user. So I'm gonna type Liverpool, press enter. Here we have the answer. This is the user's answer. So this is why we use an input function. So what is this major difference between the print statement, I mean the print function, and the input function? So let me type a print function, print. Let me type the same question. Are you an alien? Let me press enter. It won't ask anything from the user. It just prints. Whatever input you give, it gives the same as the output. Whereas if you give the input function, it asks you for an answer. The answer can be an integer, a float, or even a string. So let me type 5. It even accepts that input. Did you see that? Yes, the answer can be anything. So this is the major difference between the input and the print function. So now let me jump into some tricks that are used in the print function. So let me just print a small sentence which is, hey there, and let me press thank you. So it prints. Okay, fine. This is general. So I want hey there in a line and thank you in another line. So how to print that kind of statement? So let me press the upper arrow so that I'll get the code again. So if I want that to print, I have to use this, which is a backslash and n, which depicts new line. So now if I press enter, here we have hey there in a line and thank you in a new line. You might ask, why is the space there for? So I've left a space over here. So did you see that? Hey there, thank you. So this is how it works. The /n, which is the new line. So there's one more thing, which is the tab spacing. So let me take an example. You might ask, you might wonder, where is this tab spacing used? So, like for example, if you take a grocery bill, there'll be a tab spacing between the quantity and the money that you have paid. So I'm going to take that example. So let me type carrots, and now let me type RS in rupees, let it be 30. So if I press enter, we have it this way, and now I'm gonna use /t \t, let there a space be there. So if I press enter, here we have carrots rupees 30. So these are the two methods that are mostly used in Python, which is the new line and tab spacing. So now I'm gonna give you a small task. So I want you to display this one. I've already mentioned why I'm using this. This is the comment. So I want you to display this. I want this as the output. So just ignore this hash symbol over there. I want the apples to be 5 and let it be plums. And I want plums to be 10. I want you to display this using the print function. So if you would like to do this, just pause this video and just continue. So now I'm going to reveal this answer, which is, let me use the print function and let me bring these brackets out. And now first it's item. So let me type item, and next I have QTY, which is quantity. Let me type that too. And next I have apples, next I have 5, next plums, and 10. So first let me type what are all present in this. So I have typed all those. So next let me specify the new line. So the apples are in the next line, so there I have to use this /n. And next the plums are in a new line, so I have to specify /n over there. And next I have to move to tab spacing. So there's a tab spacing over here, which is between item and QTY. So let me go there and use the /t. The same over here between apples and 5. So I'm gonna use the /t, and the same comes even over here. So hope it's done. So let's press enter. Yes, we've got the output. Item, quantity, apples 5, plums 10. Here we have. So that's it for this lecture. Hope you've enjoyed, and see you soon. Thank you.